media ding je tin Tipra saro nai to nai joto no hambai mar pio je tini mambai ro press meet ma khemi ke to tini ro press meet mai phenai tini dozari jon ke anando region ke tini kangrai ni chairman ke bang ma bisini tini ro hai tongpio topayo ke joto no ko hambai mar pio ke media ko hambai ke tini mambai tini press meet ma khemi ke bose bo laine bo koi dino tunu to media ding ke bo BJP ro tini bubak ro pastario bini nui mawo Garao Khainai hiya bang satu ge chung abon khaya chung bet thake tini ro tini 60 constituency Kanchanpur tonai Tipra saro abon khaya chung ekdom tongmaya ha tini khawa mon ke chumo thuitung sa phaya chung puno dino tin bubak ro boding ke so dia tingmaya chung pho bon bubak ro jodi bang pho budi khang ke chung pha ari tongya bo anando bazan ching national road ching dorkar nang ke ekdom highway toiwe lo chung nang ke gari thea po risa thea play ne khele chubo khenai dorkar nang ke agar thola thange chin boy ma khene na dorkar ke thui pore nai amboy chungkriya boy bo message bege ti bo BJP ro no warning dipio na budi ke ma ta chungdi chin bobak ro na budi ke jibon kheme ne ya bo sana khap chare
Oilawo chini media person no bari ke khapang khapcha ma hambai mari pio omai tini sari ni samja jarawo jong 60 Kanchanpur constituency ni assembly ni ongye jong anando region ak 10 region ak 60 Kanchanpur ni Tipra Motha ni warriors ongye je Khainai 5 tarik yo bobagrani no yomawo BJP ro je babai bobagrani sakawo Garao Khainai no yomawo ari he je brao saklaimo brao ni chongmuma abon chong bari kiye sauthayo geinsayo slinyo ke mambai enke chong Kanchanpur 60 constituency ni uye ese Tipra sa uye bobagrano jodi se 5 tarik yo Garao jodi se kheni nai to mongke chung pho 60 Kanchanpur ni ongye chung Tipra Motha ongye chung pho no nangkheno mo thanai jodi se brao bobagrano Garao Khainai ke chung 60 Kanchanpur all chini bo district o chung pho no joto jaga bo gari gura joto chini Tipra saro joto bike laye gari gura chung pho no bondo ma Khainai are kebo chung Tipra sa ongye chung thangye bobagrano nangkhamo mo chung ese Kanchanpur ni ongye chung joto Tipra sa ongye chung thangye no imo chung pho no thangye nangke bobagrano bo phaina ongye chung pho no thangye maka sonai ar me bombe message riyo BJP government akhe chini BJP nimsiyo jonojati ongnai ro bodima snima sunma samu tangmono chung bari ke khaduo naisleo ar me bodike tangtho biskang jodi se tin chini Tipra sa ni identity no tuye fight khe tong tiyo bono beini tangtho jodi se be hainke ese Tipra sa chung Tipra sa ye Tipra sa bai bari ke bo chubak tor chung manglai arong bai bo beini jati churuni tre national political party thumoni khela ro chung jahate maisi akhe chung Tipra sa ye chung kuma jonojati kuma Tipra sa chung joto thaha ke chung chini identity bai fight khe nanai arong bai 20 kam 5 tarik jodi se bo step jodi se BJP government la to mongke chung abono sarogya chung phono bobagrani warrior chung ye chung Kanchanpur 60 constituency ni pho chung ya hoya arong bai bobagrano phairi nai chung nangkhune ame sara Tripura ni Tipra saro ma sirio chung joto thaha ke chung 60 Kanchanpur pho chung thangye nangkhunai arme joto sara Tripura sani Tripura ni Tipra saro makse moke chung phono thanai joto Tipra sa phaiye chung nangkhule mo pandao bo message be ke chung Kanchanpur ni uya nro joto no ma siripio hambai.
On behalf of all the Tiprasa and Kanchanpur 60 constituency, we together here combined jointly together with Dosda and Ananda region, we have come here to condemn the things that is to be taken by BJP. They have taken the steps to surround Bubagra in Rajbari, which is not politically correct, which is a personal attack to Bubagra. So we strongly condemn, as the people of Kanchanpur constituency, we are not happy. We strongly condemn and we will not tolerate this kind of acts if taken by BJP, because this Bubagra has all the rights As a citizen of this country, as a citizen of this state, Bubagra has all the rights to move around. So if they plan to take this kind of step, it is totally violating the laws, and they are trying to create violence in the state. They are trying to make problems among people. So we strongly condemn this kind of act, which is to be taken by BJP. So if this happens, we will not tolerate. We will fight back. This is one last fight. We will not allow anyone to take this kind of attacks on Bubagra. This kind of personal attack will be met with strong actions by all the people of Tripura. We will not tolerate. We will fight back. We will not let them take this kind of action. So if this happens, we will, if needed, we will block all the highways, all the roads. We will not allow any vehicle to move. If needed, we will go to Rajbari to protect our Bubagra. Since this is a personal attack, we will not tolerate. All the people from Kanchanpur constituency will fight back, as well as the people from Tripura. Thank you.